Welcome to the Beast Cars, the ultimate destination for speed, style, and power. The Lamborghini Huracán is a masterpiece of Italian engineering, a supercar created to deliver raw emotion, breathtaking speed, and an unmistakable presence on the road. From the moment you see it, the Huracán commands attention with its low, sculpted profile, sharp aerodynamic angles, and aggressive stance that looks ready to launch even when standing still. Its dramatic lines, massive air intakes, and signature Y-shaped LED headlights create a design that is both futuristic and instantly recognizable as Lamborghini. Every curve and edge serves a purpose, channeling air for cooling and downforce, while giving the car a look that is equal parts beauty and intimidation. The Huracán is not just built to be fast, it is built to be unforgettable, a rolling piece of performance art that steals the spotlight wherever it appears. At the heart of the Huracán sits one of the last great naturally aspirated engines in the world, a 5.2-liter V10 that roars with a sound that sends chills through any car enthusiast. This engine is the soul of the Huracán, delivering explosive acceleration at a fast revving intensity that feels alive and untamed. The high-pitched scream of the V10 at full throttle is nothing short of iconic, a sound that has become synonymous with Lamborghini's wild, emotional character. Paired with a lightning-quick 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, the Huracán shifts gears with incredible precision, keeping power flowing seamlessly. Whether you choose the rear-wheel drive version for a more connected, playful experience, or the all-wheel drive model for maximum grip and stability, the Huracán delivers performance that feels both controlled and ferocious. It is a machine designed to thrill, crafted to make every acceleration and every corner feel like a moment of pure excitement. Driving the Lamborghini Huracán is an experience that blends intensity with surprising refinement. The steering is sharp and communicative, allowing the driver to place the car with absolute confidence. The suspension system adapts to the road and driving mode, offering a comfortable ride when cruising and a firm, responsive feel during aggressive driving. The chassis is incredibly stiff, giving the car exceptional control and stability, while advanced traction and aerodynamics keep it planted even at high speeds. In its sportiest settings, the Huracán becomes a razor-sharp weapon, eager to dive into corners and rocket out of them with breathtaking force. Yet switch it into a calmer mode, and it becomes smooth and composed, proving that even a wild supercar can deliver comfort when needed. This dual personality is one of the most impressive aspects of the Huracán. It thrills when you want it to, but never feels overwhelming or impractical.